Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Get ready for the dictation. The BNS has a provision to deal with mob violence in section 1032, which says when a group of 5 or more persons acting in concert commits murder on the ground of race, caste, or community, sex, place of birth, language, personal belief, or any other similar ground, each member of such group shall be punished with death or with imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine. However, it is important to mention that the plain reading of the clause penalizes the act done by 5 or more persons in concert strictly on the grounds mentioned in the clause, but otherwise, because section 1032 of BNS punishes the act by a concert causing death exclusively on the communal, religious, and linguistic grounds. If a driver causes death of a person deliberately, then such act of the driver attracts the provisions of murder because there is a clear intention to kill a particular person. Moreover, if a driver drives a vehicle rashly and negligently without an intention to cause death of a person, then it would attract the punishment up to the term of 5 years and fine as mentioned under section 106(1) of BNS. In nutshell, the basic difference between the subsections to section 106 is that subsection 2 contains an aggravated form of punishment up to a period of 10 years, as the intention of the law is to deprecate the practice of drivers fleeing from the place of incident. In the wake of the protests, the government clarified that the provision will be invoked only after consultations. A press release issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs states that the decision to invoke Section 106(2) of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita will be taken only after consultation with the All India Motor Transport Congress. The excerpts of the press release read as follows: the Government of India has taken cognizance of the concerns of truckers regarding the provision of 10 years imprisonment and fine under section 106(2) of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and held detailed discussion with the representatives of the All India Motor Transport Congress today. The government wants to point out that these new laws and provisions have not yet come into force. We would also like to point out that the decision to invoke Section 106(2) of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita will be taken only after consultation with the All India Motor Transport Congress. We appeal to All India Motor Transport Congress and all the drivers to return to their respective jobs. It is also interesting to note that Section 106 of the BNS prescribes lesser punishment to doctors in cases of death caused due to medical negligence. The new provision says if such act is done by a registered medical practitioner while performing medical procedure, he shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years and shall also be liable to fine